Okay, hey everybody, Silver Anarchist, Silver Nation introduction here to my latest bracelets. These are the handcuff bracelets. Got the rubenxv right there. You got the 925 stamp right over here. Easy to operate. Check this out. Okay, now you see it, now you don't. Here they are, they're all together. You're gonna wear it both on one wrist. Okay, and you can even slide one up the arm. Looks really cool. Leave the other one on the wrist. Here's the little clip. Undo that clip, and then the pin drops out. Check that out. The pin drops out, which lets you then put it on. Okay, now look, you just go like that. Put the pin in. You can put the pin in through either side. Okay, it all depends on where you want this double layer of silver to appear. Okay, so see, I'm gonna drop that in real easy. See, so it already stays down when the pin is in, so it'd be on your wrist, and then it's not gonna fall apart while you're putting the clip on. Okay, and there, and then you clip it. You're all set and raring to go. Okay, I guess if you wanted to wear one only, you know, just let me figure this out. Haven't done this before, but okay. So you're wearing one only. You got it like that. Hey, you could clip this over here with the. So see, you have a little safety chain here, so you don't lose the pin. Okay. You can come and clip this around, clip it onto the safety chain, and then there you go, like that. See? Now you can just wear one if you like. Oh, and then the other one, if you want to do that, you'd have to order another one of these little clip and chain numbers from me. That's probably what would happen if you wanted to wear one on each wrist. But there it is, man. Oh yeah, I introduced like a little keyhole design. Check all the screws that are into this. Double silver on this side, single on that side. Okay. And this lands right in the hole, and it won't go farther. In other words, that's it. Just stays right there. See, I'm pushing on it. Clear. So you could even do this like blindfolded. Just get the pin into it. Okay. Yeah, I introduced all these little screws here, screw heads. I just got inspired to add more texture to the plain look of the handcuffs. And of course, this is narrower. It's narrower. It's really it's good. It's unisex. Guys, girls, men, women, everybody. Okay, man or beast can wear these. Doesn't matter. Any silver anarchist out there, just go for it. Okay, so we'll catch you later with the next new thing from rubenxv.